Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer, Divan Isosoko. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to add an overlay to a backdrop and make it smooth. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. So at first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this background layer right here, which I'm going to drag it to this point. So after duplicating it, I'll group the layer. And once you're done with these two steps, what you need to do now is to select the subject. But mine, I already have a selected, like I already saved a selection for it, which I selected the object. But yours, you can use the magical, you can actually use the quick selection tools or the magic tool. So whichever is best for you, you can use it. But mine, I have a selection already, which I'm going to right click, then I'll load the selection, then the subject. So once I'm done with that, I'll now add a mask to this. So after adding this mask, like if I actually try to do anything now with this mask here, it will affect the subject, not the background. So I'm going to invert it just to affect the background. So once I'm done with this first step, I'll now come to this background layer. I'll select it, then I'll now pick on my mixer brush and make sure it's on a clean brush. So I'll just start brushing this part, which has a little bit of, it's kind of rumple. So I'll just brush it off. Not too much, just a little of it is fine. So I'll just brush this part as well. I'll come here. So once I'm done brushing, the next thing I'm to do now is that I'm going to add a solid color to this, just to make this color blend. I'll now come and pick these two right here. Then I'll select the sample color. So I think that, no, let me pick this. So I think that is fine. I will now come to the solid color, and you can now see it is being applied on, but it's too much. I'll reduce the opacity to 7.5. So I'll now hit OK. Once I reduce the opacity, now I want to go and pick my background, and I'm going to come to this layer, make sure I select the layer, close it, then I'll come here. This is the overlay which I want to. I'll now come and click on the move tool. I'll now drag it to my image. After bringing it to my image, I'll now press Command T on my keyboard and resize this just so it can fit in. So once I'm done resizing it, I'll click OK. Then I'll now come back to my back, like this group here. I'll now drag it down. After dragging it down, I'll now change the blending mode to overlay. So you can now see I've reduced it to, like I've changed the blending mode to overlay. I'll now reduce the opacity to 45. So after clicking on that, I'll now add Gaussian blur to it, just to blur the overlay a bit. I'll now shape this to, I'll use 13. So after using that, I'll now come to my brightness. I'll now bring down the brightness to 16, to -16, then add a little bit contrast to it. Then you can see the before and after of it. So this is how I normally add my overlay to an image, just to make the background eye-catching. So you can see the before and after of it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial videos. But for now, see you in the next video. Bye.